Want to go plant-based, but your family won't eat it? Well, have you ever thought, I really want to go plant-based, but my family is not on board? Maybe they're saying, I'm not eating that. Where's the real food? And now you're stuck cooking two separate meals, feeling frustrated and wondering if it's even worth it. If that sounds like you, stay tuned, stay right here, don't move. Let me tell you, you are not going through this alone. This is one of the biggest struggles women, especially women over 40, they have trying to eat better, feel better, make healthier choices, but your household is just not interested. And now you feel like, do I give up? Or do I keep on going? The struggle is real, let me tell you. So let's just be honest. Cooking two meals is exhausting. You're in the kitchen, making one meal for you and making another one for them. That's double time, double effort, double the cleanup mess. And after a long day, who has the time for all that? It's not just about food, it's about energy. And eventually you'll start thinking, this is too much. So what do? Don't announce it. Here's something I want you to hear. You don't have to make a big announcement. You don't have to say, I'm going plant-based now, because sometimes that just creates resistance. Instead, move on in silence. Start making your small changes for yourself. Be the example. This is where shift happens. Don't try to convince them. Be the example. Start eating a little cleaner, eating a little healthier, adding plant-based meals, drinking more water, going for walks, even light movement. A 10 to 15-minute walk, stretching, just getting your body moving again. And over time, they're going to notice. You look good. That's what they're going to be saying. You have more energy. What are you doing differently? That's what people will tell you. So make it easy on yourself. Now let's make this practical. You don't have to cook two full meals every night. Start with one plant-based meal a day, 1 or 2 times a week. Modify the meals. Cook the same base, rice, veggies, pasta. Add your plant-based portion and let them add what they want to. This is going to reduce stress, time, frustration. You don't have to do everything at once. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to change your whole household overnight. This is your journey, and it's okay to move slowly, quietly, and at your own pace. You are doing something powerful here. You're choosing your health, and that truly matters. Even if no one around you understands it yet, you keep on going, because change doesn't start out loud. Sometimes it starts quietly. Now I want to hear from you. Are you dealing with this right now? Is your family supportive or not so much? Drop a yes or a no in the comments. Or you can tell me what you're struggling with. I read every comment. And if this has helped you, like the video, subscribe for simple plant-based tips, and share this video with someone who needs it. You can join my school community. The description is going to be down in the box below, where we are growing one plant at a time. Let me take a moment and really just speak to you, because I know that this isn't just about food. It's about how you want to feel when you wake up in the morning. This is about your energy, your health, your future. And I know it can feel hard when people are around you and you all are not on the same page. It can be lonely, it can be frustrating, and sometimes it can even make you question yourself. But let me remind you of something important here. Don't need permission to take care of yourself. You don't need everyone to understand. And you definitely don't need to wait until it's convenient for everyone else. Because here's the real truth. Nothing changes until you do. And sometimes you're going to be the first person in your family to do something different. And that was my case. When my husband and I went raw vegans, we were the first. And every time we would be around family members, they'd be like, ooh, what you eating? They would try to make fun of us, but we were taking care of our health, okay? So it's not a bad thing. It's leadership. You're showing up for your family. It looks like you prioritize your health. It looks like you're open to change, even when it's not easy. And let me tell you something else. People may not listen to what you say, but they will watch what you do. So instead of trying to convince them, just go ahead and show them what it looks like when you're making healthy choices that actually support your health. And then over time, they may not say it right away, but they'll notice. And sometimes the same people who said, I'm not eating that, will be the ones asking, can I try that? But even if they don't, you still win because you choose you. And I want you to hear me clearly. You are not behind. You are not too late. And you are absolutely capable of making this change. You don't have to do everything perfectly. You just start. You just have to start, stay, be consistent, and keep showing up for yourself. I don't want you to do it alone. That's exactly why I created a community, a safe space where you're supported, you're encouraged, you're not judged, and you don't feel like the only one trying to figure this all out by yourself. Because you deserve to have people around you who get it, who support you, and who are on that same journey. So don't give up on yourself, not this time. Even if it's just one small step a week, go ahead, take it because that one step leads to the next step and the next step. So if you've enjoyed this video thus far, give it a big thumbs up and write down in the comments if you agree. Change doesn't start loudly. Sometimes it's quietly. Now I want to hear from you. Are you dealing with this right now? Is your family supportive or not so much? Drop a yes or a no in the comments below or tell me what you're struggling with. I read every comment. And if this video has helped you, like, subscribe, and share with a friend. Like, subscribe for simple plant-based tips, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. And also go ahead and join our school community where we are growing wellness one plant at a time. Remember, the best care starts with self-care, and you deserve to feel your best. I'll see you in the next video.